What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy. Y'all remember this? MILWAUKEE? That's right, fellas. We got that death wobble, and we gonna fix the death wobble. Let's get it into the shop. But can we appreciate the red accents in this interior? Dang, I'm about to do this to my co-boat. Yeah, I'm running behind, man. I learned something new today. Freaking diesels. Dang, because they got me running a shop, our fleet shop. Oh, man, that's been exciting. Oh, man, look at that box. Oh, that's such a booty. That's such a beauty. I mean, can y'all see what I'm working with? What I'm working with? All black and green. I bet y'all didn't even see this little mug back there too, right? Look at that. Right now, let's get this thing in the air. Take the wheels off, take the axles off. Stubby boy. Gotta make sure it's CVT and not dip. Definitely CVT. This is the weirdest axle I've ever done. Ow. Look at that carrier bearing. That is weird. Never seen them like that, but you know, whatever. And oh god, it's stuck. Oh. Look at that. Y'all remember this boy? Woo. Take it apart on our shorts and we'll see what's going on with it. Weird. That one just slipped in, and the other one I had to pry out. Man, I don't know. I just really Man, look at this. While I'm out here wrenching, JT over there going live. Look at that. What up, JT?
To get the recall done where they replace. Oh yeah,
I'm tuned in, brother. You gonna read my comment here in a little bit. I know it's gonna be days later, but yeah. Alright guys, right here I want to make a note on you got to make sure that this thing actually fully sits into the differential, because if it doesn't, then you're gonna have a bad day. The axle's gonna pop out, you may not be able to move anymore, and you will have a serious leak in your transmission. I just realized y'all probably couldn't see a whole bunch of that. Oh well, it's pretty much the same as the other side, just we don't have that bracket to bolt in all the axles. This one has a seat. God, then it'll snap it. You know what I'm talking about? Snap. Alrighty guys, this is gonna be it for this MILWAUKEE death wobble. We got these axles replaced. Tomorrow I'm gonna do some other maintenance on it. Those are gonna be shorts, so those shorts are probably already out by the time this video drops. Who knows? But nonetheless, it's time for me to put my tools up. It's time for me to tune in to JT, subscribe to him, Online Mechanic Tips. Although he can't say my name. But this is it for the video, guys. Hope y'all enjoy death wobble. I know it's not the real death wobble, but still, it scared the hell out of me. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Woo, who knows that? Woo.